Okay, Danielle, I'm not sure if this is going to be what I think it is, but I think it's going to be what I think it is, so I'm going to show you something. I'm thinking that when you have multiple quantities of the same item, that you're listing this price instead of this one. Obviously, if we are putting down the price for 2, then it's going to look like we paid too much when in fact we didn't. So I'm just going to check this out and see if that's what's going on here. So let's look at the order number and see if this isn't like $39.95 still. I just want to see how you process this one. It's taking a while again. I think sometimes it slows down when I got it on screen capture. I'll pause it here while we're waiting. That really took a long time. You would have been bored if I'd left it on running. Alright. By the way, I don't know if you knew this, I didn't. If you double click on it, you can get the whole thing highlighted a lot quicker than doing it manually or with a trackball. Alright, let's see how you did this one. No, you did it right. Very good. I was thinking maybe you put the one for both unit price here, but you didn't. Okay, the reason we're doing this is so we uncover stuff like this. Apparently, according to this, we paid $125 for the item, and now it's $95.70. So I'm not real sure what's the best way to track this down to see. I think what I'll do is I need to find out what the item was, and then if you can think of a better way, let me know, and then go to this February 1st date and see if I can find what we paid $125.10 for, and hopefully it's this one. Pausing again. That didn't take so long. Oh, see, forgot my own tip. Double click. Alright. Let's go check this one out. Well, I'm sorry. We already know what it is. We need to see. Okay, it's $95.70 now. Let's see. It's this bath fan. Alright, so I guess what we would then do is go to the order number and click that and search for it and look for this bath fan, because a lot of times there's more than one item on here. Not that one. No, it's not that. Is this the item I'm looking for? 1949. Okay, I'm trying to track this thing down, and this SKU number or eBay ID has never sold. I checked it out. So there has to be some mistake here, because I could not find this, and I'm going to find out how the mistake was made, if one was made, so we can fix it, because this is the whole reason we're doing this. If I can't track this down, then this is pointless. So I'm going to just show you when we put in this eBay ID under sold items. And look for it. It don't show up. I just did another one to make sure that it's working right. So it's never sold. So when I look and search by price, I come up with this on February 1st. This is a totally different item. So I want to see what's going on with that, why you have it put on a item that we never sold, how that happened. Alright, so I'm copying the order number. This should be the microwave. Pausing. And it is. So if I put this SKU in here, or this eBay ID, that looks like the same one that you have. Nope. See, this is a totally different SKU. I don't know why this got put here, but this is a mistake. If you put this in, you get this one, which is right. So I think when you transpose this, you put this on the wrong one. So you got to watch that, because this makes for an error. This needs to go up here. So I'm going to look at a few more of these yellows, and hopefully this is not happening, because these are the ones where I get the money back. And obviously that's why we're doing this, not for any other reason. So this has to come out.
Here's a reminder. Take clothes out.
So I'm going to pause this and do another one and see if we get money on that. See, now this is back to... So we're going to look after I take my break. Let's find another yellow. See, now this one, something looks wrong with this too, because it's not going to drop that much. So we'll take a look at that next. Okay, I'm just kind of learning this on the fly, what the easiest way to do this is, and I'm thinking maybe is to look for this date and look for something we paid $190.34 for. So let's do that. On the tracker. Yeah, just put in 190.34. Okay, so it looks like this 6-drawer storage cart is what it is. So let's see how this worked. This should come up 6-drawer storage cart. Product not found. Hmm. $206-352-446. This does not look like the product at all. Well, that's shipping and handling. Now they're saying the product can't be found. Wonder why. Anyway, let's see where this takes us. See if this takes us there or not. No. See, again, it's taking us to something that's 2 ticks above where you are. Man, I hope this is not a pattern. But again, this is not here. It's here. And this product not found, I don't know what that deal is. Or why it's coming up as a 0 price. Let me look. Now, must be this one has gone out of stock, is what's going on here. Let me see if we can get a history on it. Yeah, see, it used to be looks like I can't see because this thing is in the way. Yeah, it used to be $199. And that's what we paid, plus there's delivery on it too. So that's the reason, I think, I'm not sure about this, why this now shows 0. I'm going to have to ask about that. So we really couldn't put this in here because obviously the vendor price is not 0. I have to ask Jonathan about that, but this does not go here. You know, whenever you see yellow come up like that, you need to double check, because when I come here and I think there's money and then there's not money, I'm not happy, especially on those. That's the whole reason we're doing this. I'm going to check one more, so we got another couple minutes left.